This is a 2024 CREA 5.3X Hyper Evolution 3. This thing costs 12,684,000 yen. Having a really hard time translating the attributes. Couldn't really tell you how long it is or how heavy, but it's pretty sweet. We got storage in the back and a good amount of it. I'm not gonna do the thing where I like climb around in here because it's clearly asking me not to. All right, let's pop inside this thing. Oh, no shoes? No shoes in Japan indoors, even in the RVs. Ooh, wowie zowie. This thing is pretty friggin' sweet. We got a bed up here, and we got a bed in the very back. A little booth dinette area. Feels like it can convert into sleeping if you want it to. That's pretty kawaii. We got a little baby chair here. 2-burner gas stove and a sink under this glass top. Access to our outdoor storage that I'm not allowed to mess around in. Some underlit LED strips. I thought this was gonna be a shower. Maybe you get like an outdoor shower hose and pop it through. I don't know. Otherwise, this is probably just like a changing room of sorts. Air conditioner in the back, a lot of storage up here. Oh, stays open on its own. That's fire. Oh, and a little microwave. Very neat, very cool.